Distinguished members, just back from the committee of the board, where the report of the 7-man panel to investigate the allegation of notice of impeachment against His Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Edo State, was considered. It was taken part by part, and the conclusion was reached by the panel and being read to this allegation. One, the short is that the allegation of perjury was not made out. Two, the allegation of disclosure of official secret is proved. Distinguished members, if you are taking this conclusion to be part of this house, please say aye. Those who say aye.
Mr. Speaker, sir, very distinguished colleagues, Charity Igudala IPOB is my name. I represent the very sagacious people of that Notice 1 constituency, and by God's grace, the majority leader of this noble house. Mr. Speaker, portion to section 188, sub 9 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, which requires that a report of this nature, having been considered, need to be adopted by the House by a two-thirds majority requirement. We are at this juncture. Three, that this report that has just been considered be adopted by this noble house as a report to the effect that paragraph 2 of the recommendation, the application of the disclosure of official secret is good, and to that extent, the Deputy Governor of Edo State, Comrade Philip Shaibu, stand impeached in line with the report. I so move, sir.
Deputy Second.
Mr. Speaker, distinguished members, I'm Right Honorable Mrs. Maria Omobayo, member represents Central Northeast Constituency 2 under the Special Grace of Almighty, the Deputy Speaker of the State House of Assembly. I stand this morning to support the motion moved by my brother, the majority leader, that the recommendation number 2 of allegation of disclosure of official secret having been proved by the panel, that it be adopted by 2/3 majority of this house. I so second.
Distinguished members, just held the petition motionally moved by the leader on this report. About the second conclusion, violation of the freedom of official secret that is proved by the panel and seconded by the Speaker. If you are in agreement that this report should be adopted by this House. Please, you vote by raising up your hand to call the response. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I have 18 votes. Go ahead. So you will decide if your name. Yes. And sign.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Unanimously.
Subsidiaries and case we call it impeached and signed.
Distinguished members, if you are against the report of this panel as a member of this House, please indicate by your command. Please count.
One.
Only one.
One.
This Africa not only.
Okay.
One more.
A woman.
Subsidiary have granted I have 8 yes and 1 no.
Thank you very much. Distinguished members, in the hallowed chamber today, it's 19 members sitting in the hallowed chamber right now. And 18 has signed and 20 members of the hallowed chambers sitting right in the hallowed chambers, and 18 signed to approve the reports of the panel, and 1 member against. Flowing from the conclusion of the panel and by the voting of more than 2/3 majority of this 8th assembly, by head counting, not just voting, and endorsement of the impeachment document the second time. I hereby on my receipt pronounce that the Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Philip are impeached. Like, please, 3 copies of the resolution of this report should be forwarded to His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Edo State, Mr. Godwins,